Hi everybody, I'm Trin Johnson and welcome to Dust in My Eye. So I have been trying to get my hands on these lovely little set 2 of the granulating colors, Gansai Tambi, Kuretakes, and I really love my first set, which I have moved to this little container. And when these came out, I did a little swatching. I did these birds, and I thought I would take the backside and do the new set on the backside. And I also did a video where I took the colors and added them to water in these little containers and let them separate and then painted with that. So I thought, well, I'll do that too. So I'm going to drop some water into each of these containers and then add some of the paint. If this sounds like a fun little experiment, then please join me for the rest of this video. Here, I've got some water in each of these, so because it's going to take a little while for them to separate. Hopefully I have enough water. I can always add more. So let's open this up and see what we have. I have wanted these since I knew they existed. It took a little while to have them available here and then to actually get them. But I'm very excited. I saw someone using them and went, oh yeah, I think I do need those. I have Cosmic Red, Cosmic Olive, Cosmic Green, Cosmic Blue, and Cosmic Violet. So these other ones were Auroras. Aurora Red, Aurora Pink, Aurora Orange, Aurora Violet, and Aurora Blue. So let us add some water. Let's see if I can get some in there to get those started separating. I'm just going to try and keep them in the order that they are here so that I have some semblance of hope to keep them straight, because they can get quite confusing. They do seem, for the most part, to be completely different colors, so at least so far. Than the other set was, I should say. Okay, now I'm going to set these aside and let them do their magic. And need this dry. I'm going to put this page down. And this time, instead of birds, I'm going to do bunnies. So what I did in the previous test or previous swatch sheet, I used some water that was slightly tinted so you could see what I was doing and I could see what I was doing. So let's just try a general bunny shape. Don't know if you can see that. I think you can a little bit. We're going to do what we did with the, I'm going to do what I did with the birds, which was put some water down and then drop the color in and let it separate. don't know if I really like the shape of that bunny, but it's is what it is. Going to hit it with a little spatter. Hit it with a little plain water to encourage the separation, and we'll see what we get. Number 2, let's see. Oh, that was a big blob. Some spatter and some clear water. All right, let's try number 3 here. I'm going to do those ears again. They were a little bit fat. These paints re-wet lovely. They just are very, very easy to re-wet. I think that is typical of the whole Gansai Tambi kind of paint. All right, let's do another one. Okay, this is Cosmic Blue. There we go. One more. This is Cosmic Violet. Okay, there I have all the basic colors down. Oh, you did not see that one at all, did you? Sorry about that. It went down much like the other ones. Now what I want to do is I want to look at the 2 colors and see if they have separated. And you can see there that I've got pink and orange. So I'm going to take the pink. This is the first color. And I am going to paint a carrot. And then I am going to take the orange, which is on top, and see if I can paint an orange carrot. Orange is a lot more watery, so I'm not getting as much pigment, but let's let that go for now, and we'll put that back over there. Maybe it will, as the water evaporates, maybe I'll get a better orange. Let's try the green now. green worked well. Try the purple part of it. Again, it is not as strong because this is the more watery part, but it's stronger than the orange was. Okay, how about this one? Now this one doesn't seem to have divided much, does it? I just don't think there's as extreme colors change in this one. I think it's all a little more homogeneous. It's like green and it's blue. So that one just isn't as extreme. How about our blue? Oh, this is cool. That one, there was quite a difference. This time, I promise you can see it. Interesting. See, that one separated nicely. I can make this color strong enough. Pretty good. Really, the only one I had trouble really getting a color out of was this orange. Let's try that again, see if I can get any more. I think as it dries, it will intensify and I'll be able to get better coverage from it. All right, let's let this one sit and see if it will keep separating. What might help, I'm going to put it in a flatter container and see if that will help. We'll just set that aside and do a little detail work on our bunnies. This one is not quite dry yet. Let him dry a little bit more. See if our orange is any stronger. Maybe just a tad. Okay, let's get a hairdryer on this a little bit so I can finish my details. All right, let's see. I spattered my bunny face over here. So I'm going to do a little bit of lifting just to get it closer to what it was before I splattered it. There we go. All right, how's my orange doing? Yeah, that is too pink. This is still not very separated. So it might get darker with time, but I don't know that I am going to sit here and wait for that. So I doubt that you want to sit here and wait for that. I'm going to get this with a hairdryer and finish. Okay. So these are the new colors, and these are the old colors. Let me write down what they are. So I was about to write the names down and my camera died, and I didn't realize that I didn't get it back on. So I wrote all the names down. I have Cosmic Red, Cosmic Olive, Cosmic Green, Cosmic Blue, and Cosmic Violet. So I hope you got something out of this. I hope it was fun to watch the swatching. I know that I want to get back in here and do some painting with these colors now. Whether I will just use some of them or use all of them in one painting, who knows? But I'm sure if you pay attention to my channel, you'll notice when it comes up. So thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it. And if you would like to, please check out my Etsy shop where I have prints of my artwork along with cute little monsters and other fun stuff for sale.